Cast iron, an icon of the American home. We sear and fry, we bake and broil. We pass them down from generation to generation. They are the benchmark for durable cookware. But what if we could do better? Machine wrought in Chicago from a single piece of thick American iron. It is much lighter and more thermally conductive than cast iron, for even heating and a powerful sear. With long vented handles and easy pour rims, this is US Iron by Solidteknics. This new wrought iron is malleable, tougher, impossible to crack, and with no welds or rivets, indestructible for centuries. With a very fine surface that requires less seasoning for non-stick performance, and with our new factory quench seasoning, you can start cooking right away. It is the new age of iron.